A camp counselor and 6 campers are to be seated along a picnic bench. In how many ways can this be done if the counselor must be seated in the middle and one of the campers, Anthony, who is a troublemaker, must sit to the counselor's immediate left? So it's kind of a funny problem, but we have 7 different blanks, and because the counselor has to sit in the middle, so because this has to be the counselor, that is only one option. And because Anthony has to sit to the counselor's left, this has to be Anthony, which is also only one option. So we have 5 campers left. So this will be 5, and then times 4 because we only have 4 left, times the 1, times the 1, times 3 because we only have 3 campers left, times 2, and then times 1 because now there's only 1 camper left. So this blank is 1, this blank is 1, and this blank is 1, but all for different reasons. So this is 1 because it has to be the counselor, this is 1 because it has to be Anthony, and the last one is 1 because there's only 1 camper left. So 5 times 4 times 1 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1 is 120.